And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaican and other international student athletes enrolled in the U.S. collegiate system are breathing a sigh of relief this evening after the American government dropped its plans to deport students whose courses move fully online due to the coronavirus pandemic. Karen Madden now reports.
The about-face comes just 1 week after the policy announcement sent shockwaves throughout the international student community. Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology had sued the U.S. government over the plan, but a district judge says the parties have come to a settlement. Foreign students were told last week that they would not be allowed to stay in the U.S. this fall unless they switch to a course with in-person tuition. National volleyballer Iko Jones, who is a redshirt sophomore at the University of Louisville, is among foreign students who reacted to Tuesday's U-turn.
To say that we are very pleased about the U.S. government's decision to reverse the ICE ruling would definitely be an understatement. This past couple days, this past week, has been stressful and frustrating to say the least. I feel like just not knowing if those rules would cause athletes to miss their seasons, would cause athletes to, or just students to not be able to do as well in their classes as they would have because of resources available to them or COVID-19 situations in their home countries.
And Jones revealed that her school had put measures in place to protect students.
It was just a lot to think about and nobody really had all the answers. So this is great, and even though I'm the only international student on my team, and even though my school would have provided hybrid courses for us this fall and we wouldn't have had to leave, just because I know so many other people at other schools in other states that were going to have all online classes, it was just scary to think about and it just seemed a bit unfair. But we're very happy about this. Very, very happy.
The U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE agency had said affected students could face deportation if they did not comply with the rules. Large numbers of foreign students travel to the U.S. to study every year and are a significant source of revenue for universities. A large bulk of these universities depend on foreign athletes to boost their athletic programs. But several schools have already announced that they will move all or some classes online in the fall. Scores of student athletes from Jamaica had run the risk of being sent home if their universities opted for online-only classes. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.
Thank you.